Just a little question, or it could be just a clarification regarding the historical significance from the Quran regarding suhoor, the pre-dawn meal. Before the Quran stipulated exactly how it should be taken, how did the Sahaba, the companions of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, start and begin the fast?
Before the Quran gave the exact details of the timings of suhoor, etc., the Sahaba at the time of the Prophet, before the Quranic verse of Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 87 was revealed, they used to follow what was practiced earlier by the Ahl Kitab, by the people of the book. And that you get from various records, even from the Hadith, etc. And at that time, they were supposed to have the iftar immediately after sunset. And once they went to sleep, they could not have any meal. Then they had to fast the complete next day, and they could only have the meal next day after sunset. So this was the practice that was followed earlier. And there's a hadith which is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, Book of Fasting, hadith number 1915, where it mentions about a Sahaba by the name of Qais ibn Sirmar al-Ansari. And he comes one day to the house at the time of iftar, after doing a lot of hard work, and he tells his wife that I'm hungry, please can I have some food for iftar? So the wife says, there's no food in the house, I will go and get from outside. So when she goes out to get food, because this Sahaba, Qais, may Allah be pleased with him, he was very tired. So before the wife comes back, he goes to sleep. Sleep overtakes him. So by the time the wife comes back and she sees the husband sleeping, she says, oh, what a disappointment. Now we can't have the meal. So when he gets up, next day he could not have the food, and he had to fast the whole next day. And by the time evening comes, he faints. So they took the matter to the Prophet and told him what had happened. And after that, the verse of the Quran, Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 187 was revealed, that you can approach your wife and eat and drink until the white thread of dawn is differentiated from the black thread. So then were the rules laid down. That means you could eat the full night, and then the verse continues, you can fast till the night falls, means till sunset. So before this verse was revealed, the action of the fast was different. They could have only one meal immediately after sunset, and once they sleep, they could not have again, until this verse of Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 97 was revealed. And that's what we follow today.